How to log in to University of Athabasca. So if you want to log into your University of Athabasca, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Athabasca University login. And once you've searched, here you will have your Athabasca University, and you can simply go for login, which is on the first search, and it will take you to the login page. So to log into your Athabasca University, first you can enter your student ID or your staff username. So enter it, and after entering that, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for reset your password so that you can reset or recover your password. Or if you want to change your password, then you can click on change password and you can change your password. So if you don't want to change or reset your password, then you need to simply enter your current password, and after entering it, you can simply click on secure login. And once you click on login, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your Athabasca University account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Athabasca University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.